We are proud to introduce you to Helo LX Plus, world's latest Helo family member. As soon as you open the package, you can immediately sense the newest step in innovation taken by world designers and engineers. You will immediately find your fantastic Helo LX Plus, and just by touching and looking at it, you can feel and see the new materials and new technology. You can also find the newest accessories. An additional extra-large band that allows a perfect fit for every wrist. A fast magnetic charger that you can use wherever you are, and a complete user guide in 12 languages. All you have to do is follow a few simple steps to use your new Helo. Thanks to the potential of new OpenAPI 2.0, you can access the Helo App Store and discover the universe of apps created by many developers from all over the world. The new Hika Plus app is the newest app developed by Hika specifically for Helo and is the only app able to employ 100% of the new clinical-grade sensors that equip the Helo LX Plus. Accessing and using the new app is simple. Just choose your country and insert your phone number or your email address. You will receive a PIN to use the first time you log into this app. At your first login, the app will begin a search to associate itself with a new Helo. Make sure that your Helo is on, and make sure your phone's Bluetooth and GPS services are on. When the app finds your Helo, you will see the LED light on your band become blue, and a pop-up in the app will ask you to add a new Helo. Tap Yes, and from this moment on, Helo will be associated with your smartphone and app. You can check your Helo status with the icon in the upper right corner of the app. It will show you battery level and your Bluetooth and GPS connection. As soon as the app checks your Helo for the first time, you can see the message that asks you to update Helo firmware version. Tap Yes, and follow the screen instructions by keeping Helo near your phone and by making sure that the internet connection is operative on your phone. If you cannot see the message, make sure that Helo is updated to the latest available firmware version. Go to the left menu, where you will click Settings, and then check Update. On top, you can see the last available version and the installed version, and below the button, you can proceed with the update. This is one of the most important steps to complete. Without this, your Helo cannot work properly. During your first access, the app will guide you to complete this step, but you can start this calibration also in the left menu by clicking on Skin Detection Calibration. Start the procedure and put your Helo on the table. Tap on Next and later put your Helo on your wrist. From now on, Helo can detect when the wearer is human. This calibration is important to allow correct measurements of your blood pressure. You will also need to measure your pressure with a traditional blood pressure measurements instrument. If you don't have one of these, you can calibrate your Helo in a drugstore. At the same time, start a Helo blood pressure measurement from the left menu and wait for the countdown. When done, tap on Calibrate and insert the values collected with a traditional measurement instrument. When you finish this, the measuring will start again, and the instrument will be calibrated. Your Helo is now ready to perform all measurements, and you can choose them from the left menu. For each of them, you must follow the instructions on the screen and keep your Helo on your wrist. From the right menu, you can also access the other features and settings. You can monitor your reports, set your personal information, and connect your app to your WGN profile. These two simple operations are important because they allow more precise measurements. And they keep all of your measurements inside the LifeLog web application, available in our back office through subscribing to the LifeLog plan. Now you can discover the new potential of your Helo and be part of the world of life sensing technology.